Hoisting and rigging safety on construction sites. A guide to ensuring a safe lifting environment. Hoisting and rigging are critical operations on construction sites that involve lifting and moving heavy loads. Ensuring safety during these operations is paramount to prevent accidents and protect the well-being of workers. This instructional guide will cover essential aspects of hoisting and rigging safety, providing construction workers with the knowledge and tools to carry out these tasks confidently and safely. Understanding hoisting and rigging. Hoisting and rigging are fundamental processes in construction that involve lifting and transporting heavy materials, equipment, and structures. Understanding the importance of these operations and the types of equipment used is essential for safe execution. Types of hoisting and rigging equipment. Cranes. Different types of cranes are used for various lifting tasks, such as mobile cranes, tower cranes, and overhead cranes. Hoists. Electric, manual, or pneumatic hoists are used to lift loads vertically. Slings. There are various types of slings, including wire rope slings, chain slings, synthetic web slings, and round slings, each suitable for specific applications. Shackles. Used for connecting slings to loads or other rigging components. Preparing for hoisting and rigging operations. Proper preparation is crucial to ensure safe and efficient hoisting and rigging operations. Following these steps will help prevent accidents and ensure a successful lift. Rigging plan and inspection. Develop a rigging plan that includes load capacity calculations, lifting points, and the arrangement of rigging equipment. Conduct thorough inspections of all rigging components before each use to check for wear, damage, or deterioration. Proper load assessment. Accurately assess the load's weight, center of gravity, and potential hazards that may affect its stability during lifting. Seek assistance from engineering experts for complex or heavy loads. Environmental considerations. Take into account environmental factors such as wind conditions, temperature, and uneven ground when planning hoisting and rigging operations. Implement strategies to mitigate these risks, such as adjusting lifting schedules or using wind speed indicators. Safe hoisting and rigging practices. Following safe practices during hoisting and rigging operations is essential for preventing accidents and injuries. Incorporate the following guidelines into your lifting procedures. Communication and teamwork. Ensure clear and effective communication between all personnel involved in hoisting and rigging operations. Use hand signals, radios, or other communication devices to maintain coordination. Lifting procedures and techniques. Follow step-by-step lifting procedures, including the use of taglines, maintaining stable loads, and avoiding sudden movements. Understand and apply different lifting techniques, such as vertical and horizontal lifting, based on the specific task requirements. Personnel safety. Maintain a safe distance from loads during lifting operations and use designated safe zones. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including hard hats, safety glasses, and gloves. Overhead hazards and clearances. Identify and address overhead hazards, such as power lines and structures. Ensure safe clearance distances are maintained, and use barrier systems when necessary. Load control and braking. Control the load to prevent swinging or uncontrolled movements during lifting operations. Use reliable braking systems for hoisting equipment, especially during load lowering. Emergency preparedness. Being prepared for emergencies is essential for quick and effective responses in case of accidents or equipment malfunctions. Emergency response plan. Develop a comprehensive emergency response plan for hoisting and rigging incidents. Include procedures for worker evacuation, medical assistance, and the use of emergency equipment. Rescue procedures. Train workers on proper rescue techniques, including responses to suspended worker rescues or equipment malfunctions. Pre-plan rescue scenarios to ensure a swift and efficient response. Hoisting and rigging safety is of utmost importance on construction sites. By understanding the principles of proper rigging planning, equipment inspection, and safe lifting practices, workers can carry out hoisting and rigging operations confidently and safely. By promoting a safety-oriented culture, effective communication, and emergency preparedness, every lifting operation can be a step closer to a safer and more productive construction site.